Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming charge and installing the Sony Headphones Connect app. This app lets you manage codecs and updates. Once charged, open the case and press the pairing button to enter pairing mode. LED will flash. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your device because Android requires location to discover nearby accessories. While pairing, keep the buds close to the phone and avoid Wi-Fi interference, so the initial handshake completes smoothly and quickly. You tap the earbuds entry in Bluetooth and accept prompts. The app will then request permissions for optimal performance. Once paired, open Sony Headphones Connect to choose codec, LDAC for high quality or AAC for consistent latency, and adjust the equalizer so music sounds natural. Next, set touch controls and assign actions for single or long presses. This saves time and prevents accidental commands. If ambient sound or adaptive noise control is available, fine-tune levels to balance situational awareness with immersive listening. You finish by checking for firmware updates in the app and installing them. Updates often resolve dropouts and improve noise canceling. Once updated, test a call and play music to confirm mic, channel balance, and ANC behavior. If you encounter consistent disconnects, clear Bluetooth pairing on both the phone and earbuds, then factory reset the buds and repair. This usually fixes stubborn issues. If problems persist, try a different device to isolate whether the phone or the earbuds are at fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.